Welcome back with another video. Today I'll be installing a 360 wig from Amazon. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. Lashes, wig cap, the body waves are bodying. The cap construction. 3 combs in the middle, 1 in the back. No adjustable straps, but you do get an elastic band. Here's how the hairline looks. It's already giving scalp. Now this 360 comes with the clear strap so you can pull this up and updo easily. I can't wait to show y'all. The hair is soft. Oh, she is thick. Wig density is 220 and she is so thick, y'all. I'm running my fingers straight through it. You get a couple strands out of this wig.
Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking. All my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know you below me. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I did lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come wife me slowly.
Love, I've seen that way, put me leave her. I do with the world, I've seen her.
You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look together. I'm because of hold you for my life. can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer.
You see my bitch, say she act bad. Anytime I knock with that. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. Say it, my mind, and my body. My body says it, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says
wanna go. What I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go. What I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go. What I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go. What I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together.
Listen, listen. My body is your body, baby. Nobody's invited but you, baby. You do it slow now. Tell me what you want. Baby, put your phone down. You should turn it up. 'Cause tonight is going down. Tell your boys it's going down. We in the zone now. Don't stop. You can't keep your hands on me. Just be right there. Rock my body. I can't
Energy on me, baby. Can you make a wish for me?